Hello dear students of grade 8. Good morning and a very good day today. I hope you had a great weekend with your family. Today you are going to attend first computer class of week 7. Dear students, in today's revision class, you will understand and learn how to make an ordered list using an, how to change number format in ordered list, using list style type property. HTML ordered list is also called a numbered list that displays element in numbered format. The HTML tag is used for ordered list. We can use ordered list to represent items either in numerical order format or alphabetical order format or any format where an order matters. There can be different types of numbered list: numeric number, capital Roman number, small Roman number, capital alphabet, and small alphabet. Let's watch a video that will show you and explain you how to make an ordered list and how to change order format in the list. At the end of video, you will be given a task to make an ordered list with different formats.
The ordered list defines a list of items in which the order of items matters. These are sometimes called numbered lists, because by default, the list items contained in that list have a specific numerical order or ranking. Ordered lists are appropriate where the exact ordering of items are important to the meaning of the content. Any step-by-step process is best presented as an ordered list. The list items are enclosed within opening OL and closing OL tags. Ordering of the list items is given by a numbering scheme using Arabic numbers, letters, or Roman numerical. Let's have a practical demonstration of ordered list. First, open Notepad. Type the basic HTML code structure. These are doctype, HTML, head, and title tags. Use any title for your page. Let the title of our page is My First Ordered List. Now close the title tag and head section. After title, start the body section with the body tag. Add heading. Ordered list, within H2 tag. Add another heading, grocery list. Within H2 tag. The tag for ordered list is OL. In order to add items into the ordered list, we have to use LI, list item tag. So type LI tag, and then type the text you want it to display as an ordered list item. We are adding bread, eggs, milk, and coffee as list items. For this, add each grocery item in LI tag. After adding items to the list, you have to close the ordered list by closing OL tag. Now we have to close the body with closing body, and document with closing HTML tag. After completely composing the HTML document, we have now to save our file with .html extension. As I am saving the file with OL type .html on my desktop. Once you save the file, you will see the file on your desktop with browser icon. Now click on the file to open it in browser. That's up, we got our first ordered list on browser. If you want to add a new list item, simply add new item inside the OL tag with the list item LI tag. Save the changes and refresh your browser to get the changes on browser. Dear students, for your practice, an HTML document is given here. Type the document in Notepad, and save it, with .html extension. HTML ordered list style type property. Like unordered list, we can also use the CSS list style type property to change the numbering type for ordered list. The list style type property has different values for ordered and unordered list. For ordered list, list style type have following of the different values. 1. Decimal by default. 2. Lower Roman. 3. Upper Roman. 4. Lower alpha. 5. Upper alpha. Let's practically demonstrate list style type with ordered list. For this, open the Notepad and type the basic HTML code structure, starting with doctype, HTML, head, and title, tags. Use any title for your page. Let's create an ordered list. To create ordered list, we use the opening OL and closing OL tags. Again, OL is a paired tag, so OL must have a closing OL tag. To add list items to ordered list, we use li tags. Add few of the items to ordered list by writing them in opening and closing li tags. Once you completely code the file, now save the file with .html extension. I am saving my file with OL type .html extension on my desktop. Point out and double-click to open the file in browser. You will see list items headed by default numbers, starting with 1, 2, 3, and so on. Now, let's change the numbering type of ordered list into lower Roman by using the list style type property with inline style sheets. For this, simply, inside the OL tag, define inline style sheets. That is, style equals list style type lower Roman. This will change the default numbering of decimal 1, 2, 3 into lower Roman. Now, save the changes in file. Refresh the browser to get the updated output. You will see that the list items will be headed with lower Romans. Now let's change the lower Roman numbering scheme into upper Roman. For this we will have to change the lower Roman property of list style type into upper Roman by just bringing changes in. Style equals list style type lower Roman into upper Roman. Save the changes. Refresh the browser. You will see that the list items will be headed with upper Romans. Now let's print the ordered list with alphabets. For this we will have to change the list style type property into lower or upper alpha by just bringing changes in. Style equals list style type into either upper or lower alpha. Save the changes in Notepad document. Refresh the browser. You will see that the list items will be headed with alphabets. Dear students, for your practice, HTML code is given here. Type the code in Notepad and save it with .html extension. Once you get your output view in browser, Change the value of list style type to any of the given types. After changing the value, save the HTML file and refresh the browser to get the desired numbering type. A sample output for each of list style type is shown here. Students, look at the output for different properties of list style type. Number 1. For Lower Roman. Number 2. For Upper Roman. Number 3. For Lower Alpha. Number 4. For Upper Alpha.
Thank you. And have a good day.